Rohan works in the UAE while his family lives in their home country. He often needs to send money home for his family, and now with eWallet, he does just that from the comfort of his own home. Here's how. Log into your eWallet. Tap Transfer Funds. Tap International Remittance. Select the country or receiver and choose how you would like the recipient to receive the money. Select the amount you would like to send. Press Next. Read the fraud warning and tap I agree if you understand and accept it. Fill in your recipient's details. Authenticate your transaction by entering your PIN or using your fingerprint or Face ID. You will then receive an email and/or SMS with the transaction details. Transferring money has never been this convenient and easy.